Hello all, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, from past 5 to 6 months, me and our entire team at Krish Naik Academy are working really hard to bring up some of the meaningful courses that will definitely help you get upskilled in the AI field. And we do this parallelly by uploading courses in Udemy and also bringing live boot camps. And recently, from past 3 months, many people had requested us a dedicated course in Udemy related to the Claude ecosystem. And I'm super excited to talk about this that we have finally launched our the Claude ecosystem course in the Udemy. And yes, the price that we are offering is somewhere around 399 rupees or $9.99 if you are outside, if you are taking the course outside India, right? So yeah, super excited to bring this specific course. So let me go ahead and share my screen. And I will talk about why Claude is actually becoming really important. I'll be taking a lot of examples over here. But as I said over here, this is the entire Claude ecosystem course wherein you'll be able to work with Claude AI, Claude Code, Claude Cowork, and if I go ahead with respect to Claude, right here, there are multiple products and platforms, and we have covered everything in this specific course. So you will be able to learn how to work with Claude AI, Claude Code, Claude Cowork, how you'll be able to work Claude in Chrome, Claude for Microsoft 365, how you'll be able to create common workflows, which we basically say it as Claude skills. Then you'll also be able to understand how to work with Claude design, science, security, and by using all these amazing models like Mythos, Fable, Opus, Sonnet, Haiku. And the best part is that if you just have basic knowledge of coding, you will be able to easily complete this entire course in a much more efficient way. So here you can see Meet Claude. When we see, we have covered this entire products that is available in Claude, and you can also even apply for certification after completing this specific course. If you go to platform, you'll be able to see that there are a lot of things like developer docs, ecosystem, marketplace, connectors, plugins. We are covering everything of this, right? I will go more towards the detailed syllabus. Here in the solution, you'll be able to learn how to probably go ahead and do coding, how you can actually create your own AI agents, how you can work with respect to enterprise. Different departments will be taking multiple use cases and showing you each and everything. Okay. And if you just go ahead and see this specific syllabus, this syllabus is, we have just launched with 27 hours, and we have just launched this 3 to 4 days back, and already it is a bestseller in Udemy with an average rating of 4.76. Okay. And that's most amazing thing because people like this specific course. We did not announce much about this particular course because we really wanted to see like what is the user feedback. And if you probably go ahead and see the feedback, it's quite amazing, right? So here we are going to master the entire Cloud ecosystem, which includes chat, code, co-work skills, MCP, hands-on project, real workflows, and finally we'll also show you that how you can go ahead and create the Claude certification. Okay. So if I go more details towards the syllabus, so here you can see there is an introduction, then we'll try to understand about this ecosystem. We will talk about Cloud Web, the entire complete UI walkthrough, Claude model overview and prompting, like which models you should specifically use for what kind of purpose. Then Claude as a work partner, Claude artifacts, Claude AI, Claude skills deep dive. You'll be able to see skills in Claude projects, connectors, different types of connector, plugins, Claude Cowork, Claude for Microsoft 365, Claude for Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint. So this is applicable for everyone, whether you're a developer, whether you're a program manager, product manager, everybody. We have made sure that this course is actually applicable for, right? Then over here, when we go ahead with respect to introduction to Cloud Code, we go towards the coding side, right? How you can actually go ahead and create your AI agents, how you can create complex workflows with respect to Cloud Code, everything. And this is also explained with respect to project basis, right? Then you have MCP, then we will show you how you can actually go ahead and create sub agents, agent teams, the entire ecosystem with respect to Claude. And whatever Claude updates basically comes in the future, we are also going to go ahead and update that. Then we also have been covering this very important module that is actually required to build enterprise grade application. That is nothing but production and readiness with Claude Code. Here you have guardrails, red teaming, evaluation, many more things over here we have already covered. And then we have also included some real interview scenarios where you can directly participate over here. It'll ask you questions, you try to give up that particular answer, right? So all these things have been covered. Now I'll tell you why at this point of time it is very much important for everybody to understand how to use Claude ecosystem. Now let's take this example of a project. So I was working on this particular project. You can see usually in whenever you go to the companies, right, you don't need to develop projects. Most of the projects you don't need to develop it from scratch. There'll be support basis projects, there will be change requests that will be coming on your way, right? So like this, they will be giving you the access of the entire repository, right? And here you just go ahead and use Claude Code. You try to provide some context, how to provide a context by creating different kind of files. Here you can see .claude folder is there, how you can go ahead and create hooks, skills, agents, everything is basically over here. And you can create multiple agents for doing different kind of work, right? Now, why this folder is created, how it is created, how you can go ahead and work with different plugins. You can see my first plugin is over here, and whatever projects you're specifically working on with, right? How to probably use Claude Code efficiently to do some kind of vibe coding by providing amazing context and making sure that human approval is always there, right? This is what is specifically required in all the industries, right? Companies like ENY, PwC, various big companies are specifically using Claude Code, and internally, Claude Code is just one product of this Claude ecosystem. And I'm just giving you an example because most of my audience are specifically from coding background, right? And you'll be able to see that how efficiently in a productive way you'll be able to quickly get answers, quickly be able to do the work, right? So let's say that I have just connected to Claude Code. Here you can see that it is saying Fable now is a standard part of your Max plan. I have a Max plan. Okay, so I use in my team, I have given everybody, because we do a lot of product development parallelly, right? So let's say if I go ahead and, hey, please tell me about this project. Okay, so if I go ahead and give this particular question, right, you will be able to, okay, it is telling me to log in. No worries, I will go ahead and log in. Okay, so Cloud create with this console account, third party. So I will go ahead and just go ahead and log this. Okay, so everything is probably shown to you. These all steps we will show you step by step how you can actually go ahead and do these things, right? So once I go ahead and continue login over here, and you can see that I'm just going to authorize with respect to my account. Great. So this has started. Now I will go ahead and press enter. Now you will be able to see, hey, please tell me about this particular project. It'll go ahead and probably see this, right? And before that, here you will be able to see that there are a lot of different files we have created, right? It will be like, what is this file for? Claude.md is what this file is for. This file is basically for giving some kind of context, right? So it'll probably go ahead and get that particular context, give me the entire answer, what this project is all about. And now whenever a new change request comes as a developer, I will probably go ahead and build that specific particular request, because now I have the entire summary of the project that we are specifically going on, right? So everything is there over here, you can see, right? So here it has basically asked me, okay, this is the file that is available, this is the file that is available, what all things are there, what all things I'm actually developing, each and everything. So whenever a new change request comes based on this specific context, we have also shown you how to update each and everything. And not only this is with respect to Claude Code. Like, if you go ahead and see, this is how a app looks like, Claude Code app, right? So here you will be able to see that you have chat, you have Cowork. Cowork is like you give an access to one of the folder and do all the work over here within that specific folder. Let's say you have a lot of files, you have data, you have business data over there, you want to quickly analyze, do something, you will be able to do it over there, right? And Claude Code can also be done from here, but I would suggest again, both the ways that you specifically need to know, right? And here you will be also able to see like how many total number of tokens that I have actually spent, this and everything. So all these things from basics, we are covering in this specific course that is called as Claude Ecosystem. And this course has been developed by me and Mayank. Mayank has done maximum number of amazing recordings. He actually runs an agency. He delivers many things to his clients, and that entire experience we have specifically brought in this particular course. That's the most amazing part about this particular course. So I would suggest, please go ahead. You can check out multiple courses from our platform. We keep on developing some amazing courses and all, right? Now, if you go ahead and apply this particular coupon, which is called as Claude 01, okay, you will be able to get this particular course on 399 rupees or $9.99. If you're from outside of India, 9.99 is the minimum. If you're from India, it is 399, right? Yeah, this was it from my side. I hope you like this particular video. I hope everybody probably takes up this particular course, because this is one of the meaningful course that you all require. And for people who are already having Udemy business or premium subscription, just wait for some days. Uh, Udemy is going to upload this particular course over there, right? So yeah, this was it from my side. I will see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you and all. Take care. Bye bye.